Understanding community volunteers. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of community volunteers. These are the unsung heroes who work tirelessly to make our communities better places to live. Whether you're new to English or looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding the concept of community volunteers will not only enrich your language skills but also your appreciation for community service. Community volunteers are individuals who donate their time and skills to benefit their community without expecting financial compensation. These generous acts of service can range from cleaning up local parks, helping in shelters, to tutoring children, and more. The key point here is the voluntary nature of their work, fueled by a desire to contribute positively to society. People choose to volunteer for a multitude of reasons. For some, it's a way to give back to their community, supporting causes they believe in. Others see it as an opportunity to develop new skills or gain experience in a particular field. Importantly, volunteering allows individuals to connect with others, fostering a sense of belonging and community spirit. The impact of community volunteers cannot be overstated. They play a crucial role in enhancing community well-being, from providing essential services to those in need, to organizing events that bring people together. Volunteers often act as the glue that holds a community together, creating a supportive network that can face and overcome many challenges. Becoming a community volunteer is simpler than you might think. Start by identifying your interests and skills, and then look for local organizations or groups that align with those. Many communities have websites or boards listing volunteer opportunities. Remember, every bit helps, and no act of volunteerism is too small. We hope this video has shed light on the invaluable role of community volunteers and perhaps inspired you to consider volunteering. Remember, volunteering is not just about helping others, it's about growing as a person and being part of something bigger than yourself. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.